In a peaceful village, a mischievous tabby kitten named Whiskers lived happily with his family. However, one day, a gang of rough street cats attacked their home, stealing their food and leaving Whiskers' family scared and hungry. Determined to get revenge and protect his family, Whiskers embarked on a courageous journey. Along the way, he befriended other animals and learned valuable lessons about bravery, friendship, and justice. In the end, Whiskers cleverly outwitted the gang, reclaiming the stolen food and restoring peace to his home. Whiskers and his friends sneaking into the gang's hideout, moving quietly and stealthily. With clever strategies and newfound allies, Whiskers outsmarted the gang, recovered the stolen food, and brought harmony back to his home.